the students? I hope everyone is doing good. So today I am going to share with you some important information about an event which has recently happened in India. Recently means on 2nd November 2025. This last Sunday, indigenous space organization of our country, that is ISRO, has launched a satellite into the outer space. How many of you know the full form of ISRO? ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. So this particular space organization is responsible for carrying out the research activities in the space field and space technological fields. So basically, what is the unique thing about this event which has happened on 2nd November 2025? ISRO has launched its heaviest ever satellite into the outer space. Okay, so this is the unique thing about this satellite. The satellite which is launched into the outer space is a communication satellite, and it is the heaviest satellite ever which is launched by any space organization of India. Okay, so basically I am going to tell you very important things about this satellite. So you need to hear this, you need to remember many informations about this which I am going to tell you, because at the last I am going to ask each question from each class from 6th to 11th, and the ones who will tell the correct answers, they will get appreciated by the certificates by our respected principal ma'am and dean sir. So the satellite which is launched by the ISRO on 2nd November 2025, obviously it is the heaviest satellite ever launched, and the name of this satellite is CMS-03. It is also known as GSAT-7R. Now what is the thing, the letters which are there? CMS means communication satellite and GSAT means geosynchronous satellite. Understood? CMS means communication satellite and GSAT means geosynchronous satellite. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of this satellite? Why ISRO has launched this satellite? So specifically, this satellite is being used by the Indian Naval Forces. Our Indian Navy is going to use this satellite for the communication purposes. Now, talking about more specifications of this satellite. This satellite is the heaviest ever satellite launched by the ISRO. So the weight of this satellite is 4,400 kgs. Okay, and the lifespan of this satellite is 15 years. Means for the next 15 years, this satellite will perfectly work into the outer space. Then after that, it will be replaced by new communication satellite. Okay, so what is the lifespan of this satellite? 15 years. The weight of this satellite is 4,400 kgs. Okay, now I am going to tell you the concept of carrier vehicle. What is carrier vehicle? Let's take an example. Like if you want to come to school, how do you come to school? Some may come to school by bus, some may come to school by motorcycle, or you can use bicycle also. Yes or no? Because we cannot fly. Okay, we cannot directly come to school. So basically we need a carrier, we need a vehicle which can carry us. Okay, and they can leave us to our destination, whatever destination we want to go. So similarly, satellite is a non-living object. It cannot fly alone and it cannot go into the outer space by its own. So carrier vehicles are used to carry the satellite and transfer them into the outer space. Now what are carrier vehicles? So in simple words, carrier vehicles are nothing but they are rockets. Okay, so we are having, ISRO is having a very famous carrier vehicle. The name of that carrier vehicle is LVM-3. Now what is the full form of LVM-3? Launch Vehicle Mark 3. And there is a nickname of this carrier vehicle also. The nickname of LVM-3 is Bahubali. Okay, so this particular LVM-3, inside this rocket, the satellite it is kept. Then it is launched into the outer space. Now, when it is launched into the outer space, when it reaches the outer space, LVM-3 it has left the satellite into the outer space, and the destination where it has left the satellite is GTO. Now coming to the questions, my first question is for the 6th class. What is the full form of ISRO? Those who know, they come here and tell the full form.
Indian Space Research Organization.
Very good. This is the correct answer. Now, second question is for the 7th class. What is the full form of GSAT? What does GSAT means?
Geographical Satellite.
It is partially correct. It is basically the full form of GSAT means geosynchronous satellite. Okay. Now there are two questions basically. What is the weight of CMS-03 and what is the lifespan? Anyone?
It is 4,400 kg and lifespan is 15 years.
Yes, it is correct.